If you want to turn on YouTube watch history, this quick step-by-step guide will show you how to enable YouTube history tracking easily. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the setting in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on Your Data in YouTube. Next, scroll down until you find YouTube watch history. If it's turned off, you'll see the option showing as off. Tap on it, then scroll down and select Turn On. You may need to confirm again by tapping Turn On. Then hit Got it. Once enabled, YouTube will start saving your watch history so you can easily find what you searched before and also get better video recommendations. So, yeah, that's how you can turn on YouTube watch history and enable tracking. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.